create, you can make new projects. Friends, first type your project name, delete the text. I will go to, friends, I am going to events. Click events. Drag one flag click block in code area. I'm going to motion. Click motion. Drag move and steps block. Attach one flag click block. Friends, now I click flag. The sprite move 10 steps. Friends, another way is, friends, I am going to events. Drag when space bar key press. Friends, choose any key in list. I am going to motion. Drag move and steps block.